heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace. How to sing Silent Night. Preparatory block. Part 1. Listen as much as possible to the recording of the song. Part 2. Know the lyrics perfectly. At least once, just read the lyrics out loud and think about the meaning and the emotions of the song. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. This way. Part 3. Know the rhythm. Practice the rhythm by speaking the lyrics and clapping the beat. Like silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Part 4. Sing together with the recording in a half voice. Like silent night, holy night. At the moment, please don't use your full voice. We are just studying the song. When you feel that you know this song well, move to the next block. Practical block. I will say this right away. This is very important. If you learn by yourself, you must record yourself on a voice recorder or a camera and listen to how it sounds. If you have a teacher, he can correct you. So if you don't have a teacher, listen and control yourself. By the way, you have an opportunity to send me a video of your singing and I will personally review it. I will respond you in a video format. I will analyze your performance, show you strong and weak points and give clear advice on what you should work on and which exercises will help you the most. This way you get real feedback, not just general tips from a video. It's almost like having a teacher next to you. You can send me your recording by email or take a lesson with me. All the information is in the description under the video. Or if you want to support the channel, you can become a sponsor by clicking join under the video. In this case, once a month, you can send me your performance of any song and I will reply with a personal video review. Let's continue. Part 1. Warm up your voice so it is ready. We will sing our song without words on the sound like b, v or z. Personally, I recommend b sound. Like this way. This is needed to know the melody well and not to lose resonance while singing. I recommend doing this a cappella. Try to sing so the vibration of your voice doesn't break. If you feel that it is too low or too high, change the key so it feels comfortable. Part 2. Solfeggio parlato. We will speak the lyrics in the rhythm, on the breath, dividing it into smaller note values. In places with accents, we will not make the voice louder, but we will sing the note as if it is a little bit longer. This helps you avoid pushing the voice. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. You need to divide the long note, like peace, peace, because otherwise it will be peace, peace. It's not good. Peace. This way the breath doesn't stop. Part 3. Finally, we sing the song with lyrics. Make sure to sing with feeling, feel the beat and groove. You will think about technique after the first few performances, when you will find your weaknesses. I recommend to sing a cappella, record yourself and analyze until you feel confident with the song. Only after that, start singing with a backing track or your instruments. I want to warn you about common mistakes. Don't sing too student-like, too correct and flat. Like, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep. No. Make accents, play with dynamics. Sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. This way. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, write a comment, hit subscribe and bell not to miss new videos and your chance to sing better. I'm Andriy Mik. See you in the next videos. Bye.